Hello. I chose this image of ice cream for my webpage about the history of ice cream in America because of its fun background and variety of ice cream flavors displayed. I found this image on Pixlr and edited it to a 200 by 200 size in order to make it a square. This also allowed the image to show the distinct scoops of ice cream in their different flavors. I chose this image partly because it has a bright background to help contrast with the white background of my webpage. I also enjoyed that it showed different kinds of flavors, including chocolate, which is America's favorite ice cream flavor. I also enjoyed that the image displayed the ice cream scooped out instead of in a cone, which would have made it difficult to edit the image down into a square. The many different kinds of ice cream shown in this image allow you to think about all the different kinds of ice cream you could make at home, since this image is on my page with including recipes about how to make ice cream yourself. This fun image and its display of ice cream evokes the joy of ice cream. Enjoy your ice cream, whatever flavor you choose.